Whether you are servicing your machines or have a preventative maintenance schedule with your local Taylor team, you should always ensure a thorough maintenance check is being performed on your equipment. Use the Taylor PM checklist found in the back of your machine's maintenance manual to go over the 500-hour maintenance interval. Before beginning any work on the lift, the wheel should be chalked, ensure the parking brake is engaged, and lock out the machine. You should refer to the safety section of your maintenance manual and the safety instructions in the section pertaining to the area of work. Start by removing and replacing the engine oil filter and engine oil. Also remove and replace the transmission filter at this time. The fuel filter and fuel water separators should be replaced, ensuring the separator sensor is reattached. Back under the lift, all brake hydraulic hoses and connections should be visually inspected. The service brake and parking brake accumulator pre-charge pressure should be checked. Visually inspect the differential and planetary hub's oil level. All grease points on the drive shaft, steer axle, mast, and carriage should be greased as outlined by the lubrication chart in your maintenance manual. The radiator, charge air cooler, and transmission oil cooler should be externally washed off and blown dry with compressed air. Remove the lockout and check all emergency stops to ensure functions are operating correctly. If your lift is equipped with a serviceable battery, the fluid levels should be checked, battery top and terminals clean, then cables and clamps inspected. Check the operation of the forward, reverse alarms, and the strobe light as well, as they might have been missed in the daily checks. There are other intervals when more major inspections and maintenance items are to be addressed, like structural inspections. Compare your hour meter to the PM chart to determine which inspections are required. To order a Taylor PM kit for your lift truck, contact your local Taylor representative. For more service and maintenance information, visit our website, www.suddenserviceinc.com.